Look how easy the Kakuka K16 fits underneath the bed in my camper van. And all thanks to this unique folding handlebar system. Look at that. And we're ready to go. Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Kakuka K16 folding e-bike. Well, they say it's a folding e-bike, but technically I don't think it quite is, because the frame doesn't fold, although the stems for the handlebars do fold down. So let's get it out of this rather beaten up box and take a little look at it. Now, I'm a little concerned about the condition of this box. Hopefully the bike remains in one piece. Let's take some bits of these out. There we go. That's a nice looking saddle. It's even got a handle. That's interesting. I've not seen that before on a bike. Well, there you go, it's extremely light. It actually weighs less than 19 kilos, as you can see. Very light. And by the looks of it, it doesn't look like there's any assembly to be done. It looks like it's fully assembled. Oh, apart from the pedals. It's got a side stand, that's handy. Now, where's them pedals? I'm guessing they're in here. Not only are the pedals in here, there's also a power cable and what I would assume is the charger. Let's take a look at this. Interesting. Oh, a spanner, that's useful. But it appears that there's no UK plug. Well, sure, we can sort that out, we just have to get an adapter. Now I wonder if a shaver adapter will fit into this, but we'll try this in a minute. Let's take a look at the bike. So there you go. There really is very little assembly to be done. Using the spanner that's been provided. This is the left one. This is the right one. And it looks like that's the only assembly we need to do is put the pedals on. There you go, on that side. Make sure I've done it nice and tight. That's it. That's it, that's our bike assembled. So come back and take a look. Now this bike has got a 250 watt motor, so it's completely legal here in the UK. You can ride this on the road, nice and legal, no problems. Oh, look at that, I do like that. First impressions, it looks pretty good. The welding's nice. It looks pretty good quality. Disc brakes, front and rear. Now there are no gears on this bike, it's got one gear, so again it makes it nice and easy to ride, nice and simple to operate. Yeah, I like the finish on the paintwork, I do like that. Try not to scratch it with my knife. So there we are, pretty much ready to go now. Now I do like these white wall tyres and the little 16-inch wheels. I think that's why it's called a K16, because it's got 16-inch wheels. That looks really smart. Let's take a look at the controls. So let's take a look at our main control panel. If we press and hold the on button, it should illuminate, and there you go, it does exactly what it should do. Now at the top we have the speedo in kilometres, and underneath that you can see you have a trip meter as well. Nice little feature. And along the side here we have the battery state of charge, and that 0 there, if we press the plus button it will go to number 1. That is our gears, it should go up to number 5. There you go, so we've got 5 gears on this, or 5 modes, and when it's on 0 it actually disengages the electric motor altogether and you can just pedal it like you would a normal cycle. And on the underside of this we have a nice little USB port as well for charging your mobile phone. Nice little feature that, but it doesn't end there. If I can get that to show again, if we press the on off button once more, it changes the display. You can actually see how many volts are in the battery. At the moment it's reading 36.6. Then we go back to the time, which I haven't set yet, and then back to kilometres, like our trip meter. So that's our main control unit. Let's take a look on the right hand handlebar and see our throttle controls. So here are our throttle controls. If I turn this throttle, nothing will happen because I've left the other side in 0. So we'll just turn that on to number 1. And again, if I turn the throttle, nothing will happen because it's in pedal assist mode. To take it out of pedal assist mode and into full electric mode, we need to press this button here. So now if I take the back wheel slightly off the ground, by turning it over, twist the throttle, you'll hear, and it is a proper controllable throttle as well. I really like that. And of course the brake is also on this side for the back wheel. Now to charge the Kakuka K16, we have a charging port here, and it looks like it's weatherproof. Let me just zoom you into it so we can take a closer look. Yeah. That looks pretty weatherproof to me. I think all we need to do is plug the charging port into there like that, and yeah, and then our plug on the other end of this into our charging socket. And I'm hoping that this plug, this 2-pin plug, will actually fit into my shaver socket so that I can charge the bike. Let's go and get that and find out. Right, so this is my adapter for my shaver and my electric toothbrush. Kind of hoping that'll fit in there. There you go, it does. So we're okay. We can use this to charge the e-bike. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to make sure it's fully charged, and then we'll take it out on the road for a test drive. Well, I'm pleased to say it works. It is actually charging. There's a little light on the charger. And for those of you that are interested, it's drawing 82 watts from my power brick. Now, according to the data sheet, it should only take 4 hours to charge this 36 volt 7.5 amp hour battery. Quite impressive. Now, whilst I've got the data sheet in my hand, I should read out some of the specifications. The maximum speed of the K16 is 15.5 miles per hour. It is also capable of travelling between 18 to 37 miles on a full charge. I guess 18 miles would be if it's on full electric mode and you don't pedal, but if you're willing to put in a little bit of effort, then you will get 37 miles from a full charge. And of course, if the battery does happen to go flat, it's not a problem. You can just simply pedal like you would a normal bicycle. Now, the seat is fully adjustable, and the adjustable height range is between 26 inches and 38 inches, which is a really big range. So even the smallest of person and the tallest of person could quite easily ride this bike. Now, once the battery is fully charged, I shall take the bike outside, put some air in the tyres. By the way, the tyres on this bike are wear resistant and puncture resistant. As soon as it's charged up, we'll take the bike outside and put it through its paces. Well, it only took 2 hours to charge the battery on the Kakuka K16. I've added some air in the tyres, but before I take it for a ride, I thought I'll see how easy it is to fit underneath the bed in my camper van. Look how easy the Kakuka K16 fits underneath the bed in my camper van. And all thanks to this unique folding handlebar system. Look at that. Just clip that round there like that. Take it out from underneath the bed of my van. Lift the seat. And we're ready to go. Simple as that. Really quick and easy. So let's take this for a ride. I've got to say, I'm quite pleasantly surprised, considering it's only got 16-inch wheels. Because of the wide handlebars, it feels extremely stable, more stable than I thought it would be. And the 250 watt motor has got plenty of power, and the throttle response is very accurate and very controllable. It most certainly isn't just on and off. You can actually control the throttle. Now, no bike video of mine would be complete without getting the opinion of our resident bike expert. So let's see what Raoul thinks of this Kakuka K16. Here he comes now. He actually drove off before I had time to get my camera out. What do you think?
I mean, it's quite weird with the small wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's less than 600 quid.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah, I mean,
just under 19 kilos apparently. Got a safety catch.
Oh,
Flip that
yeah,
round.
yeah, oh yeah, that makes sense.
Clip that off.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. But you could just lift that on a luggage rack. Yeah, absolutely perfect for your groceries. Drop down to the train.
And the tyres, apparently, they're anti-wear and anti-puncture.
Oh, mud guards as well, so that's perfect for the seat.
And their quality as well. I mean, that's pretty thick plastic. That's not like cheap blow moulded stuff. That's proper injection moulded plastic.
No, that's actually decent. I mean, yeah. Oh, and built-in lights and everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's got everything. So is that a built-in rear light as well then?
No, that's just a reflector.
Just a reflector. Okay.
That's the charge port.
Yeah. It's a single speed, not a hub gear as well.
Yeah. So it's no gears.
Oh, right. Yeah, that makes perfect sense.
It's nice and simple. Although you have got 5 different settings, and in the manual it says they're gears. It says 5 gears.
Yeah, but
really,
it's not 5 different settings of the motor. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
So does rail approve?
Yeah, I approve completely. I mean, this would be perfect for me getting to the station or getting some groceries in Stroud, because like you've got the hills and that. So yeah, that'd be perfect for around here.
Yeah, super lightweight.
Yeah, that's not bad actually. Yeah, I could just carry that onto a train without a problem with like my laptop and stuff. Yeah, cool. That's great. Oh, just get it out of the way from the car.
Well, there you go. All in all, a very nice little compact e-bike, perfect for city life or even camper van life. Now, I will leave a link in the description of this video where you can get hold of a Kakuka K16 electric e-bike at a very reasonable price. If you like this video, you found it mildly entertaining, slightly informative, then please do give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra for now.